Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for Simon Says Stamp with our card kit reveal and inspiration for our latest card kit, Santa's Helpers. I'll start you off with this 6x8 stamp set. This is called Santa's Helpers, which features whimsical illustrated elves, ornaments, snowmen, and some great messages to put together for your cards. To go with your kit, we are also including 1 jar of the Tim Holtz Ranger Icicle Distress Crackle Paste. This is a really nice thin paste that you can use to add some sparkle and shine to your cards that resembles ice when it's dry. You'll also receive the palette knife, and we're including a Dari's needle bottle so that you can add your paste to the bottle just by scooping it up with the knife and filling up the bottle for as much as you want. And then you can add drips and drops to your projects with that very small tip of the applicator. To add additional glimmer to your cards and projects, we're also including the Crafter's Companion Sparkle Pen. You simply remove the green ring and get the fluid flowing by pushing on the sides of the barrel. Once you see the brush head fill up with the color, you're ready to add some sparkle and shine to your stamped images. Also included in your kit is a pack of 400 foam squares. Those are 3/16 of an inch. You'll also receive a pack of the Tim Holtz Ideology bubbles, and these are great for adding snow and some of that icicle paste for some 3D effects. The papers for this kit come from Craft Consortium, and this is called Made by Elves. They are double-sided sheets of paper, and they have such nice whimsical images in some bright pinks and turquoise, pale green, and even backgrounds that include black. There are 10 sheets in total, and they are double-sided, as you can see. And a few sheets have a little bit of shine, like the snowflakes have some glitter. And 1 sheet of candy canes that looks like it's embossed. So 10 sheets, Craft Consortium, Made by Elves. To go with your papers, we also have 5 sheets of the Craft Consortium Made by Elves 3D decoupage. Each sheet features a set of images that you can punch out and layer on top of each other for some great dimensional effects. These are labeled really well, so you have a base sheet that'll be layer 1, and then you'll find layer 2 and punch that out, and then you can put it right on top of the same image on the first one. So just match those up and add a little foam tape, and you'll keep adding your layers until you have these really fun one-piece dimensional elements for your cards and projects. We have 2 envelopes for you in this kit. We have bright white with the no lick 'em to stick 'em adhesive, and also Audrey blue. And finally, the cardstocks are Nina Solar White in 110 pound, Simon Says Stamp Black, also Audrey Blue, and Lipstick Red, and those are 100-pound cardstocks. And up next, I have some inspiration from our designers. Cindy Norberg created this amazing frame where she used those 3D pieces and inset it into the frame and used those Tim Holtz bubbles at the bottom along with some snow and icicle paste in the background. Kathy Zelsky created this great clean and simple card using the snowflakes in her background and the snowman and elf popped up and centered onto her card. Jen Shirkus went for the pinks, and she used some of the pattern paper in the background and colored her elf girl with bright pinks and reds to match. And finally, Callie Pearson stamped her snowman and elf at the bottom and then finished off her card by adding some blue ink blending at the top with some ornaments. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Santa's Helpers. Be sure to check out our blog post, which is linked below, for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.